3, go!
Listen, I'm the first to get my burgers medium or medium rare in the US, but that is just raw mince. Like, it's not even cooked, it's not even warm. I'm only joking, I'm not eating that. Look, it's like slop, it's not even cooked. You know what? It's gone down to 5 out of 10. Sort it out, Marky lads. It's like watching that show all over again. Right, so we're buying this anyway, we're getting this backpack, it's LED, and yeah, we're in Vegas, in Fremont Street, we're going to take it away. Rochelle needs a backpack. First we're going to fill it with Trump, because we love Trump, and then when we get back home we're going to fill it with Dad Loves Food stuff, QR code, so you lot all subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube. I just want to make sure this works here, because still, it's a lot of money, isn't it? I just want to make sure it works. Subscribe to Dad Loves Food, comes up next. And after that, what's that card, please, man?
After that, it'll be that design that you put. You can edit it.
One more. Gosh, look at that. Great Vegas. On YouTube, get a load of that. Everyone who's watching in the UK right now, I know it's late. Then you've got a picture of me and my dad at the Vegas sign. Cartoon style, we love it. So is it just us on this?
Huh?
Just us?
Yeah, daytime it happens a lot. Like you'll get it to yourself, like because we're not. Most people, the day's better, but most people they think that the best time would be at nighttime.
Yeah.
But at nighttime you'd be on here with like 25 people.
Sophie's next door there booking a buggy, which is like 350 quid for an hour. So I walked out, I said, listen, let me shop around a little bit. We came to Hot Chips, where he's got some corn dogs here, super cheesy corn dogs. And the drinks, he's got water for 5 dirham, cola soft drink 7. Yeah. Red Bull?
Red Bull 25.
25. Yeah. A little bit more expensive, but it's okay, isn't it? Red Bull's Red Bull. Right, so we'll have 1 water, please. Do you want a cola or Fanta or anything? Or? Fanta. One or iced tea peach? Iced tea peach. Do you want an iced tea as well, Ted? Yeah. 2 iced tea peach. I don't know if I can get stung twice in a day on Red Bull. Look at this, so he serves from both sides. Beach side. And the other side, there's his corn dogs, his hot dogs, ice cream. Look at the views here. Woo! Woo! Wow, get a load of that. So again, this next part, fried chicken, cheese wheels, Dutch fries, lobster rolls, Greek, pasta, you name it, it's here. Now some of them are repetitive as well, so you're seeing some of the same ones. Like the exact same one. The lobster roll we've seen, Mr. Hot Dog we've seen, the 60cm slice of pizza we've seen. There's so many that are independent as well, I guess, because I haven't seen Junior Pasta before. Look, that's what, as you're walking out the water park, it brings you on to, is this the Hotel Beach, I'm guessing? Check that out. So what was that, an hour 10 minutes, and we're just pulling into Rhodes now. Right, morning everyone. So we've just got off the fast ferry, which is over there, from Marmaris over to Rhodes, which this is 45 minutes. Last time we took an hour 15, this time we took an hour 10, and now we're here just at Rhodes Port, and we're out to walk into the old town. But first you have to get in or get past this big ancient wall of Rhodes. What do you say? We've just passed one of the kebab places. Last time I came I had a gyros, and honestly, oh my god, it was incredible. Again, the difference is in Turkey they don't do pork, but here a gyros is typically pork, or you can choose chicken. Oh, you like these? Look at these chessboards, Oscar. Oscar's so good at chess, by the way. Well, you beat me every time now. Stand next to them, Oscar. Yeah, nice, aren't they? Chess pieces. On the way back, come back and have a look at the different boards. Hello, you're right. Oh, this is yours. What is this?
Sausage.
Sausage. Sausage.
She says if you want, she's selling pita with sausage.
And here it is. €1, €5 pork. Perfect. €5, nice and cheap. Last time I came it was unbelievable. I love the fact that the pork is so juicy when they're cutting it off. And obviously you can't get pork kebabs in Turkey. Salty, chips are crispy, even the pork. It's juicy, but also gives off a little crunch on the edges. Peter Nico's, Rhodes Old Town, definitely worth a visit. So out of all these nice Lanzarote towels, £4.99, she goes and picks a random dog towel. What's all that about, Rochelle? That's definitely me, that. I have selective hearing. I'm sorry, you are not selected. But for me, the bargain of the day is these. Can't fall off, can you? €1 a pint. But it's tropical as well, which I like. Estrella, $1.50. And then Michelle's on the cocktails. I think it was like, was it €5 or €6 cocktail? But if you look, most of the tables, yeah, they're drinking a tropical for €1. But probably half the drinks are cocktails, soft drinks, other lagers, cider. Fair play to them. I think everyone at least once has to visit Sun Lounge in Porto del Carmen, Lanzarote. God, this is nuts. Like every single restaurant is packed. Outside, inside, look at them cooking them steaks. Look, just because I haven't shown you it at this time of night, I'm going to go across to the beach and show you over here as well, 8 o'clock at night. Beautiful. Wow, a Visos hotel. Absolutely spot on. Cheap, cheerful, just off the main road. Check them out on social media and use a Visos VIP for your transfers.
How are you?
You okay?
Yes, I am, yes.
Oh, Denkali as well here. Denkali. Now at the front of the shop, got the normal watches, budget friendly watches, just in there on the left hand side. Budget watches in here, some silver in here as well. But I go straight to the back room. VIP collection right there. Full section on women's watches there. Plenty of jewellery. Again, love to see Dent Calais. If you're in Marmaris looking for a dentist, check out Dent Calais, just on the behind the marina in next to the castle. I almost like this one. I keep going back to it. But the good thing about here is the quality. For me, it's best in Marmaris. All the different tricks of the sapphire glass and looking inside of it, scratching it, the diamond tester. You know, a lot of them can do the diamond tester, but it's the little things here that they're prepared to show you to prove the better quality, because it isn't just one quality like A, AA, AAA plus, whatever. There's so many different ones, so many different factors. But you go with a trusted seller, and that's why I trust Medieval Watch. But this is Gazelle Port. Let's see what's at the front of the shop these days. One of them little electric scooters that I was flying about on in Dubai last week. So really I need to get out the shoes room, get out the bags, stick to the men's clothing. And when I'm with Rochelle, Rochelle can come in, look at the shoes, look at the bags. She can look at the shoes, look at the bags, and I'll stick to the men's clothing like this one. The shorts, even when you pick the shorts up, if you feel, say, a Montclair one here and a Montclair one at another shop, it's like chalk and cheese. Again, you pay for it, but like anything in life, you get what you pay for. Right, so you might have noticed this year in Marmaris, all the streets are empty in terms of they're not allowed clothes outside, they're not allowed to put offers outside. So where last year all of this was filled with towels, clothes, caps, everything you could imagine, socks, all this was full of football shirts, mannequins like these. And yeah, they got told to take them all in. So now, these have put pictures on there to try and show people, but it's still not the same as having all the clothes and all this extra space, probably giving them like another 10% of the shop. So they've lost all that, so now you have to physically go in if you want to see items, or you can look at these on here, knowing that they're going to sell them inside the shop as well. Right, so we go in here, keep having a look around. Every time it'll change, and the amount of stock that these go through is absolutely nuts. Now the reason they can charge so cheap for the stuff is they sell so much of it. So the sort of prices that are in here on most of the stuff you won't find anywhere else. You know, hoodies 2 for 30 quid, t-shirts there, ladies 4 for 30 quid, and the stock just keeps getting piled up, sold through the day, restocking on the night. Tomorrow all these packets will be open and probably sold. Every time you come in there's new products as well, like these. Trolleys everywhere, like a trolley dash. Boxes, shorts, everything you need. And it's the one place where you can't really haggle. You know, the price is there, the price on everything. You can't haggle on 5 for 20 quid. You can't say 18, 19, because they just won't accept it. But you could go somewhere else and they might start on 5 for 30 quid, 5 for 40 quid, and then you can start a haggle. But I'd rather just go straight for the bottom price, no messing about. New football tops. I love the fact that before the club announced the top, Turkey's already guessing what's coming out, you know, by the predicted ones on Facebook. Sometimes they're right, sometimes they're wrong, but this one is very nice. Big thick coats for the winter. Got adult football shirts over here as well, both the new tops and the retro tops. So the retro ones are like this, 2009, 2007, 2008, and the retro ones never go out of fashion, do they? Never go out of date. Socks, I'm liking these ones this year. Need a few pairs of them. Now you can spend so much time in this shop. It's good to come early, get your shopping done, and then come again just before you leave. Once you know exactly how much weight's in your suitcase, come back, fill her up, whether it's clothes in here, whether it's trainers from next door, or whether it's bags. Every single bag, £10 from Best Bargain Buys bag shop, just across the road. Let me show you. So the bag shop is just over there. Best Bargain Buys bag shop, Best Bargain Buys clothes shop. He's going, Craig, free shuttle service, free shuttle service. Look at that, free suitcases when you spend over 300 quid. So if you're in there, you don't even have to bring a suitcase with you. Spend 300 quid in there, spend 300 quid, get a free suitcase, and then add it to your flight on your way home, so it's even cheaper.
Thank you very much, mate.
So Best Bargain Buys bag shop, Best Bargain Buys clothes shops, and 3 doors down is Best Bargain Buys shoe shop. There is Istanbul Kebab, Ambience Nightclub, and Jimmy's Watches over there as well. Right, better go and pay for these and then go shopping for some shoes.